How to download files from Google Drive on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to download files from Google Drive on your iPhone, open Google Drive and select the photo or video you want to download. You will see three dots beside the file. Tap on that and you can see there is no download option. So tap on the send a copy option and there you will see the option for save video. Tap on that and the video will be saved to your device. You can save photos the same way too. However, in order to save a document, the process is slightly different. Select the document you want to download and tap on the three dots there. If you tap on send a copy option like before, you will not see the save option. So tap on open in option and tap on the save to files option, and with this your document will be saved. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.